Hello, welcome to my channel Supercar Sunday. In this video I'm going to take a quick look at this polisher I've just purchased. So I needed a new polisher. The one I've got, it's not the best. So I'm just going to do a quick unbox of this. I'm not going to talk a load of bullshit about it. I'm just going to show you what you want to see, tell you what you want to know, and I'll be as quick as I can with it. I'll give you a good look at the product, and that's it. So I'll just open the box, and that's how it comes in the box. So there's your pad, you've got your side handle, your instructions, you've also got an Allen key and some spare brushes. So this is the Chemical Guy Torq R. It's got a digital display, lightweight construction, vibration reduction technology, it's comfort grip. It's got a 900 watt motor with a 600 to 2400 RPM power range. So you can see the digital display there. Obviously it's got your buttons to go up, your buttons to go down, on and off switch. Comfort grip, and you've got your side handle, which I prefer to use. So I looked at loads of these polishers before I purchased this one. As I always do, I look deep into everything before I buy something. I always like to buy quality items, so I always have a good look at what I'm buying before I purchase them. I looked at the Milwaukee cordless. I thought that would be a good idea, but I don't think that'd quite be up to what I'm actually doing. I looked at the Rupees one. At the moment I've got a Sealy, and to be honest, I think this is the one to have out of the lot of them. So next I'm going to have a look at the cable length. So there's your cable length, and it comes in at just over 9 foot, 2.8 meters thereabouts. So it's got plenty of length on the cable. So I've just put the pad on there, and you see there's your lock to lock on when you're putting the pad on or removing the pad. So I've just plugged it in there, and I'll switch it on just to show you the digital dash. So you've got these buttons here to go up through the different rev range, different speeds. So that's the first one, and we'll go right through them. So that's flat knacker. So that's all the different speed settings. As I say, I'm not going to spend too long on this. So I purchased this yesterday at 4 PM on eBay. Arrived on my doorstep at 9:30 this morning. So this is in the UK. So I'll put a link in the description for anyone that's interested in purchasing one of these. Like I say, it was quick delivery next day, which is always good, especially if you need one quite quick. If you're doing a job and you've had one knack up on you, go wrong. So that's the Chemical Guy Torq R Performance Rotary Polisher. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, feel free to give me a like, and don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll do another video using it. I've got a job in at the moment. I'm painting the side of a car. I'll use this obviously to polish it up, and I'll upload a little video on that. Thanks for watching.